Okay, I got two garage door openers, a Chamberlain LiftMaster. Yeah, Chamberlain. And the range on the remotes absolutely suck. Bought a couple new remotes. The old ones, they all work the same. So what I did is, you see the purple antenna wire that comes out of the stock opener. I stripped the end, got a barrel crimp connector, and just put a standard ground wire, wrapped it around there, stapled one end to the header, ran it back here, made a loop through the support, and it's crimped right there. So what that allowed me to do is, when I open the door now, I've more than doubled my range. I mean, I can go like 2, 3 houses down before I was like sitting in my driveway fighting with the button getting it to open. So if you put it up like that, you know, when you open your garage door, the antenna will be above the garage, you won't hit it. So staple it up high, put it right there, and it's a good cheap fix to increase your range.